How is Taiwan going to have its own internet? Is it possible? Well, yeah, if you just call Elon Musk and he gives you Starlink's internet. Yeah, it's that easy. But you got to convince Mr. Musk for that, which we can't do for sure. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will see how, like Ukraine, Taiwan wants to have Starlink's internet. So without any further delay, let's get started. In today's world, even our ancestors, and in the generations to come, communication is the key to everything. And let's be honest guys, almost all of our communication these days is being done through the internet. Either through social media or emails, but we got to have the internet for that. So realizing how important communication is, whenever a country wants to take over another country, they destroy their communication first and foremost. That is what Russia did in Ukraine, and that is exactly what China is planning to do in Taiwan. Yeah, you heard it. It's like after the Russian invasion on Ukraine, the shyness in attacking your neighboring country has finally been overcome, and now China wants to take over Taiwan. If you remember our previous video, you would know what part Elon Musk played in Ukraine. Mr. Musk provided thousands of antennas and dishes in Ukraine and gave them access to the internet through his Starlink satellites. This was a huge relief for Ukraine, as Russia had destroyed all their connectivity with bombs and whatnot. And to be honest guys, all it takes to cut some wires under the sea and your communication is gone. It's that easy. But disconnecting the satellite internet is not that easy. Are you going to destroy the satellites? They are already far from the range of rockets. And even if you do, there are thousands of Starlink satellites, so thousands of rockets will be fired to disconnect a country from the internet? Well, does not sound like a plan to me. Does it sound like a plan to you? As soon as Taiwan got to know about China's agenda, they have been strengthening their defenses and modifying its military strategy to take on the enemy. One of the chiefs of Taiwan also said that maintaining excellent communication in real time was essential for Ukraine to fight back, and it will be essential for us if the time comes. So, the story is simple. They just want to have a backup option for their internet if China destroys their existing network. They will just switch the Starlink network and there you go. Problem solved. Just like that. Russians even jammed Starlink terminals in Ukraine for hours. Just after a software upgrade, Starlink was functioning properly. So, that proves that up till now, destroying or disconnecting the Starlink internet is not possible. So that seems interesting for the Taiwan's government, and they have agreed an $18 million deal with SpaceX that over the next 2 years, internet services over Taiwan will be guaranteed. The government's representatives further revealed that they are very much impressed with Starlink's work in Ukraine. But, our sources tell us that providing a flawless internet connectivity is not the only thing Starlink provides. Starlink could interact with unmanned aerial vehicles, and using big data and facial recognition technology, it is considered that they might have played a part in Ukraine's military operations against Russia. These were some accusations by the Chinese on Starlink. Apparently it seems like Starlink will have the same role in Taiwan as they had in Ukraine. Devastating. Another interesting tactic opted by Ukraine was to communicate through humor and funny memes, which is really working for them, as it is also uniting their people. Taiwan also plans to do this, and they even claimed that they are currently doing that as well. No one wants to see another war, so we hope everything ends well. Anyways, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss out on our future updates. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.